This is almost past middle of the July, and polytunnel looking like this. When I think about it, how it looked like in May even. This is in the early May, probably around 5th of the May. Polytunnel was just ready. We planted our first plants, including tomatoes and some basil, and we have to use the paraffin heaters. In the night it was falling. If you were lucky, it was 8 degrees. The lucky day was 8 degrees in the morning. But gradually over the May and early June it started to evolve. You can see the potatoes are coming onto two sides on the extreme left and right. Then by the June we are going to have a full bloom. Now it is in full bloom and you can see that. Okay, today is 23rd of July. I planted these potatoes in the 7th of July when finished the polytunnel. This is a DIY polytunnel. And I put 6 bags of compost this side and 6 bags of compost this side, and I put potatoes inside the compost. I think it was around 6 here and 6 there. And the result is around, I think 7 or 10 kilos, 10 kilos of potato that side and about 11 kilos that side. Quite good for a smaller space that I use, it's just 2.5 meter, and in between them I had other things also. I was cropping the cucumbers and the tomatoes and the beans here. The result is acceptable to me. This is the variety Casablanca, one of the best early potatoes that I grow, and I really like it. It gives big potatoes and the small potatoes, and they're very well shaped and full. This is one on one side, and on the other side the similar harvest. This is the Casablanca. This is one of the few potatoes every year after year I grow. Some of this was close to the surface and I couldn't see them because they were under the many of the foliages of other plants. And anyway, that's good. And this is another box of the thing. Some of it is actually this Casablanca potato was near the surface. I used to cover them, but this one probably I missed a few of this, but most of it is all right. Casablanca is giving this size potatoes, usually very good big ones. You can get also medium and smaller ones, which we use for different things. For example, very small ones you can use them for making abgusht. And I sat under our rose tunnel and wine tunnel to sort the potatoes according to size. Now this strip of land is ready for chicory, salads, lettuce, Florence, fennel bulbs and everything. And similar here, beetroot, lots of beetroot I want to plant, and we'll see. And these things will continue. I have already planted between them lots of leek and beetroot here. When these are gone in September, October, they will continue to grow and we will have the autumn and winter crop also. Nothing is more rewarding than agriculture and farming, if you do it properly. And I planted a fennel, chicory, basil there again, and on this side I planted lots of beetroot, white albino beetroot, and another beetroot called boro. So we'll see how they will do. I've watered them plenty yesterday, and now today they're picking up very well. Look at that. They're getting established. The fennel and the chicory, and those Greek basil at the center.